Hey YouTube, welcome back. Working on the boat again today. Today we're gonna fiberglass in the transom. Welcome to my life. Hey, all right, so it's been a couple days and I'm back at it. I've been working out on Heritage Hills Homestead, and then I've done a couple other little things. But today's goal is really just to take these patterns and cut fiberglass matting to match that, because the fiberglass will go against the transom, the fiberglass that's in there now, and then a board, and then a fiberglass sheet, and then a board, fiberglass sheet, a board, a fiberglass sheet, and then the fiberglass back. So I need to cut those pieces out and be ready to start this project. And if the weather holds, I may even work on it today, because I think we're gonna have good weather today and tomorrow, and then it's supposed to storm like Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, whatever. So if I can get it all done today, that would be plenty of time to dry and get her through. I really want it to dry enough and to drill the holes out and put the tubes in so that the boat can drain through, because if I put it in there and it rains, it's gonna fill up that and start getting the wood wet right away. The wood will be sealed, but I really want to have all the drains in, so I'm not even dealing with that stuff. So that's kind of what we're gonna do. So let me get busy. All right, so I got all the other fiberglass sheets cut now. Now I just got one more, which will be the size of the back of the boat. And so I need to take this fiberglass and I need to cut, it has a bunch of knots on it. That they probably left holes in the original wood and that grabbed into that wood. But I need to cut those off, and then I'll need to, I'll cut my sheet, and then I'll come back and I'll sand this down so that it's ready to go. And then I think that'll be about it. You know, we'll have to acetone clean everything. I'll clean the back of the boat out, and then we'll acetone clean everything, and then I think we'll be ready. I got a lot more fiberglass than I need, a lot more fiberglass mat. I hope the resin turns out that way. The resin, when they shipped it in, Amazon busted, or UPS, whichever, busted one of the cans, so they used about 1/8 of a gallon leaked out. Stinky mess, sitting on my front porch. Thank goodness it didn't get on it. But I hit the company up, and they sent me another gallon for free, so I thought that was pretty good. So yeah, neat. Man, oh man, was that a job. That like to kill me. But she's on there now. So I got her all fiberglass in. I'll still have to do some work on this. I'll have to basically trench this in and fill it, and then fiberglass over this all the way around. But the boards are in there and the shell's on. So I think I did pretty good today. I'm going to get this cleaned up where when I pressed it together, all the stuff started leaking out of it, which is good. So I tell you, it's hard. It isn't hard because it's like difficult. It's hard because you're in a time crunch. You're trying to get this, you have 20 minutes per layer to get it done. And while it seems easy, throw the board in, put the fiberglass on, whatever, it actually takes some time, and you got to mix your resin up and all that, and then have it all ready. I'm very pleased with the way it came out, but it was difficult. I watched Good Guy Boat, or whatever his name is, and a couple other those guys that do these, and they make them look pretty simple. And let me tell you, there's some work involved. Just cutting the boards was tough because boats aren't straight. So if you could just do measurements like I'm used to for building houses and stuff like that, then it'd be pretty easy. You just cut and go. But each peel piece, because the way the fiberglass is, nothing is straight. So you just got to keep shaping it to the boat. But I'm thrilled to be at this point. I probably shouldn't be sitting in these fumes. I need to probably get out of them. You are supposed to wear a respirator for a lot of that stuff. I've got a real good breeze coming through here though. But all right, let me get this resin cleaned up before it dries up. Y'all help me out and like and subscribe to my channel, Shots Life, on YouTube.